Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be learning how to set up Trello for content calendar management. If you're looking for a 2025 guide, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. The first step is to create a new board on Trello. This is where we'll be managing all our content. Click the plus button on the top right of your Trello dashboard and select Create Board. Name it Content Calendar 2025. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for planning and organizing our content. Now that we've done that, let's add lists to our board. These lists will represent each stage of your content creation process. For instance, you might have lists titled Ideas, In Progress, Review, and Published. Just click on the Add Another List button on your board to create these. This helps us because it allows us to visually track the progress of each piece of content. Next up, we're going to add cards to our lists. These cards represent individual content pieces. Click the plus Add Another Card button under your relevant list and fill in your content details. You can even set due dates and assign team members to the card. This is important as it helps us keep track of deadlines and responsibilities. Now let's make use of Trello's labels. You can assign different color-coded labels to your cards based on content type, priority, or any other category that suits your needs. Just click on a card and select Labels. This is helpful as it allows us to quickly identify and sort our content. The last step is to integrate your Trello with a calendar. Click on Show menu on the top right, then Power-Ups, and finally enable the Calendar Power-Up. This allows you to view your content schedule in a calendar format, which can be incredibly handy for planning ahead. And there you go. You now have a Trello board set up for managing your content calendar. It's a simple visual way to keep your content organized and on track. Remember, the key to effective content management is regular updates and reviews, so make sure to keep your board up to date. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in and happy planning.